When can workers legally unionize in the workplace? In recent news, the topic of workers' rights and unionization is gaining attention across the nation. With labor movements rising, many are asking, when can workers legally unionize in the workplace? This is particularly relevant as more employees seek to organize for better conditions. Let's break down the process that allows workers to form unions under the National Labor Relations Act. Workers can legally unionize when they follow specific steps outlined by the National Labor Relations Act, which applies to most private sector workplaces in the United States. The first step involves showing interest among coworkers. This usually means gathering signatures on authorization cards or petitions that indicate a desire for union representation. Once at least 30% of employees in a designated bargaining unit sign these cards, they can file a petition with the National Labor Relations Board. The National Labor Relations Board will then supervise a secret ballot election to see if a majority of employees support unionization. In this election, if more than 50% of those who vote choose to unionize, the National Labor Relations Board certifies the union as the official representative for collective bargaining. This certification is a significant milestone for workers seeking to negotiate better terms with their employer. After certification, employers are legally required to bargain in good faith with the union to negotiate a first contract. However, this process can be complicated. Some employers may resist union formation through various tactics, both legal and illegal. While the National Labor Relations Act protects workers' rights to organize, enforcement can be slow. Penalties for employers who violate these rights often involve remedies like back pay or posting notices. Employers may also delay or appeal National Labor Relations Board decisions, which can prolong the process. Importantly, workers can legally unionize whenever they meet these conditions, as long as they follow the National Labor Relations Board's procedures and the employer does not violate labor laws. The right to unionize is essential for addressing workplace issues like wage inequality and working conditions. In summary, workers can legally unionize when they demonstrate majority support through a National Labor Relations Board-supervised election. After this, the employer must engage in collective bargaining. This process is protected by federal law, but practical obstacles can arise due to employer opposition.